the previous video from Mrs. Bhattacharya. If you don't, please follow that. Otherwise, you cannot relate our discussion now, because we are not going to state anything regarding about the autism and another symptoms, signs and symptoms. We will straight go to our treatment part. Let us discuss on homeopathic medicine. There, in the case of autism, you know, Dr. Gupta, as Mr. Bhattacharya also said, there is no psychological part is very important.
Definitely.
And the diagnosis part is the first order. People cannot diagnose
What is autism?
what is the autism. He or she, parent, are not ready to accept her or his child is something different from others. That should be diagnosed as Mrs. Bhattacharya discussed. Now we will come to, we have several medicine in homeopathically, but I must say, I will discuss some medicine today.
Definitely.
But on the basis of our discussion, don't go to take any medicine. This is my request. Without consulting any qualified doctor. Very important here is mental symptom and other symptoms. Very important in case of autism and causation. So we will discuss definitely some medicine, but it doesn't mean you are going to put this medicine. The question of potency and other things is there. Don't do this medicine. This is our motto, to educate something, to inform you something regarding the homeopathy, how we can help in case of autism. So there is an important medicine, Tarantula hispanica.
Definitely.
This is a good medicine.
One of the most important medicine.
What is the characteristic? It is a characteristic, as far I know, you can add also, alteration of mood. Child is fine now, but his mood suddenly alterated. This is the one character of
the main key symptom of this medicine is restlessness.
Restlessness.
That you have to find within the patient of autism and the patient for whom you are suggesting Tarantula hispanica. That is very important.
And
restlessness.
And another thing, he or she is constantly busy with the work.
Definitely.
He constantly busy with work. He wants he don't want company, but he likes, but she likes some particular one.
And
that is the,
if you go through a thorough case taking, you will find that there is a special desire for listening to music.
Yeah.
That is very important.
You have one special desire music for something, but he doesn't want to other total noise, and he don't like that.
Definitely.
But he, she or she is a special desire on the music.
And one thing, apart from this, there is a destructive nature of the child.
This time, carcinosin is another medicine.
Definitely.
In case of carcinosin,
The patient is very talented.
talented.
That you must mention. Patient is very much talented and he or she has a specific obsession of doing something work. That is the repetitiveness. What Mrs. Bhattacharya has told during the diagnosis of autism. If there is a repetitiveness of work with the talent and there is autistic feature, then you can go for a carcinosin.
There may be, as far I know, there is maybe the history from carcinoma. There is a family history.
Definitely.
There may be.
Actually, homeopathy what does? You have to take the case totally, and when you are taking the case, you are taking the family history and the past history of the patient, so that you can come to the conclusion for carcinosin.
You know, what you see in agaricus? Agaricus is another medicine.
Agaricus is a very important thing. There must be some involuntary motion of the patient. Suppose a child is moving his hand constantly, involuntarily. You can go for agaricus. Agaricus is very important, and in agaricus, the patient is also very restless. That is
important. But we have to differentiate.
Yeah.
In
Between the
restlessness-
agaricus and tarantula. In tarantula, patient has the tendency for loving music, but in agaricus, there is involuntary motion of different parts of the body.
That is the homeopathy. We have to differentiate the different thing of the different symptom of the cupramate.
Yeah, cupramate.
Cupramate.
In that case, the patient will have convulsion.
It starts from the fingers.
Yeah, definitely.
Fingers or the toes.
Yeah.
In the cupramate, all the convulsions start from the fingers and toes. the convulsions. Convulsion is a very important characteristic in case of
Cupramen. And one thing I have forgot to tell you, that in case of agaricus, there must be restlessness of the child. In that restlessness, he or she will shout severely. He or she may scream at different instances.
In case of agaricus.
In case of agaricus.
In case of cupramen, we will not got this type of restlessness.
And the
Now-
exact opposite happen in case of Baraitaka. The
Baraitaka.
patient is very timid.
TB.
Patient will like to
Baradaka was frequently somebody we use Baradaka in case of autism. Let us hear tell something regarding the Baradaka.
in Baraitaka, we have to take the history totally. In that case, the patient must have a tendency to catch a cold. He or she may suffer from chronic tonsillitis
Yeah.
along with the autism.
Tonsillitis should be there. Tonsillitis should be there in case of Baradaka.
Yeah.
The patient character, patient looking is something different in Baradaka.
Yeah. And one important, interesting case I like to share with you, that a child when came to my chamber, I am asking several questions to him, but he is not willing to answer anything. He is just covering his face with his hand like this, and he is splitting his fingers and looking at me, staring at me, and trying to listen what I am asking him, but he is not willing to answer anything. That idiocy tell me to give Baraitaka, and in that case I got a marvelous response.
We will get, if the selection of the medicine is important, we can select the proper medicine, and if we have the proper counseling with the proper time with the qualified psychologist, definitely you will get the marvelous result in case of autism. Sina is an important medicine in case of that. Sina is,
In this medicine, we also get the repetitive action of the patient.
Sina.
He or she always boards his nostril with the
nostril,
fingers.
like that.
Definitely.
Like that. And in Sina, there mostly cases there is a worms infection.
Yeah,
Craving for sweet. Craving for sweet. And Sina, particularly that medicine, taking something in the mouth.
Yeah.
The chalk, the वो आपको थोड़ा सा इधर उधर unnatural food he or the child is taking. That is a characteristic of Sina.
and one more thing will be there. There may be grinding of teeth during this.
Grinding of teeth.
That is very important. That is always the manifestation of worms, but it must be present along with the autistic symptom of the child. That will lead to Sina. Helleborrhosis is also very important. In that case, there will be a muscular weakness.
Muscular weakness.
In other cases, there is a neurological weakness. Here, there will be muscular weakness along with the restlessness.
Yeah. But it doesn't mean this 7 medicine is coming in case of autism.
Many other
Many
medicines
other medicine may
also
come.
Yeah.
Any other medicine may come.
Yeah.
Any medicines may come. If the symptoms, and physical symptoms and family history matches, any other medicine can come. So we are very confident about the help the people, help the child regarding the autism. You go for homeopathic, qualified homeopathic doctor and counselor to cure your child for the autism. Thank you.
Thanks.
Hope you like our video. Next we will coming in the next time. Thank you so much.